In this video, I'm going to make some miniature Christmas decorations. First, I'm going to make some mini present boxes. First, I cut out a rectangle of cardstock and I drew a small rectangle in the middle. And I have equal sides from the edges, and then I just cut slits like this. Then I'm going to fold along the lines of the smaller rectangle I drew. Then I'm going to fold over and glue the tabs inside. To make sort of like a tray like this. And I'm just going to do the same thing, but I made the rectangle in the middle a little bigger so that the sides will be smaller. And then I'm going to fold over the tabs. To make the lid. I make more boxes in different shapes and sizes that can also open. If you want to decorate them, you can add some ribbon, maybe a little bow, to make some perfect little present boxes. Nice for the dollhouse. I also made a video before about some little shopping bags. I'll link in the description. For our next couple things, I'm going to be using some air dry clay. It is pretty stretchy and soft. You can dye it by adding a little bit of paint of whatever color you want, and then you can just massage this into it. Like this. I'm going to make some hot chocolate, so I take a little ball of it and flatten the top. After the clay has dried, I'm going to use some glossy coating around the outside so that it looks like a glass. Then I added some little white clay on top for whipped cream and colored toothpicks for straws to make some little hot chocolates. Now I'm going to make some miniature gingerbread houses. First, I'm going to have this sandy-ish color clay. I'm going to flatten it out like this. That's flat enough. Now I'm going to cut out two pieces for the front and back of the gingerbread house, like these. And I cut out two pieces that are the same height as the sides to be the sides of the gingerbread house. I'm going to assemble it like this. Now I'm going to take some white clay and I'm going to flatten this out. And then put it on top for the roof. And then I put a little piece for the chimney and some snow on top. And then I used little pieces to decorate it. I also added a little bit of pink for some trimming icing. To make a miniature gingerbread house. I also made a little gingerbread man to go with it. Now I'm going to make candy canes. I start with some white clay. I'm just going to roll it into a snake like this. And I'm going to curl the end over into a candy cane shape. Then I'm going to cut it, make more, and then once they're dry, I added some red stripes with paint to make little candy canes. I'm going to make a miniature mug. You can use whatever color for the mug. Start by making a ball like this, and then I'm going to kind of roll the sides in a little bit. Now I have a round end of a pen, and I'm just going to make an indent in the middle. Now I have a little ball of brown clay, and I'm going to put it inside like hot chocolate. Then I take a snake of the color of the outside of the mug, like this, and I'm just going to put it onto the side to be a handle. Now for marshmallows, I just have some white clay and I'm going to cut tiny pieces like this and put them on top of the hot chocolate. Unintentionally, it looks like a face. If you want to, you can also add a design onto the front with a sticker once it's dried, or you can add some little snakes of clay like this to make a snowflake. to make a mug. Perfect sized. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and tell us what you thought and what kind of videos you want to see. Also follow us on Instagram. Bye! Hey guys, I made some hot chocolate.
Oh, thanks, Flames. Go on, try it, Magna. Oh, Flames, what was in that? It's disgusting.
It was only milk and hot chocolate powder.
Icicle, why did you replace the milk with glue and the hot chocolate powder with chalk? What do you think? Icicle, you're not gonna get anything for Christmas if you're a jerk again. Look who's talking. You know what, Icicle? You need to be taught to listen. Ugh. See y'all later.